Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Cinnamoroll Christmas wreath. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw Cinnamoroll's head. We'll start with the curve across for the top. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve down and in from both sides. And then connect it at the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the face. Let's start with 2 ovals on the sides for the eyes. And then a sideways oval on both cheeks. Now in the center, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a curve down and then up, and the same on the right. And that's it for the face. Now let's move to the sides and add the ears. Let's start from the top left and let's draw a wavy line out, and the same on the right side. Now from both ends, let's curve it down, and then curve it back up into the head. Now let's move on top and let's add the Santa hat. Let's start with the bumpy line across, and then on the top left, let's draw a curve up and a shorter curve on the right. Now from the top, let's angle it back down, then another angle next to it, and then let's add bumps all the way around in a circle for the pom-pom at the end. And that's it for the Santa hat. Next, let's move underneath, let's leave a gap, and let's draw a curve in the center. Then let's draw a bumpy line up on the left and on the right. And this will be the hole inside the middle of the wreath. Now underneath the head, let's draw 2 angled lines for the body, and then a curve underneath on the left and on the right for the hands. And that's it for Cinnamoroll. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the wreath. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve. Then let's draw the same curved lines all the way down on both sides in a circular shape. And now let's move down and do the same thing on the bottom. Let's start with a curve in the center, and then work our way out on both sides. And that's it for the shape. Now let's move in and let's draw the ornaments and decorations. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a gingerbread man. On an angle, let's draw a curve for the head, then a bump out on both sides for the arms, and then 2 longer bumps down for the legs. Next, let's move inside and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes, and then a curve across for the mouth. and then 3 circles down the center of the body. Now let's move over on the right side and let's draw a star shape above the ear. Let's draw a point up, 2 from the sides, and 2 more underneath. Now on the bottom right under the ear, let's draw a candy cane. Let's start with a curve up and then bring it down. And do the same curve underneath. And then close off the top with a curve and the same at the bottom. And now let's add some striped lines inside. Now let's move over to the bottom left and let's draw some holly berries. We'll start with 3 circles. Now let's add the leaves. Next to each berry, let's draw 2 curves out, and then 2 more coming to a point. And now let's do the same thing from the other 2. Lastly, let's add some Christmas bulbs by drawing some circles in the empty spaces. And that's it for the Cinnamoroll Christmas wreath. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!